Hello YouTubers, millionaires, multi-millionaires. My name is Ali, and on this channel we talk about making money online using affiliate marketing, using the internet, leveraging the internet, using affiliate marketing. If this is something you're interested in, click on that subscribe button and continue on watching. Today's video is going to talk about how to purchase a domain, and if you already have a hosting service with a company, you can just add that domain onto your hosting service without having to buy additional hosting services. Basically, I have one account under Namecheap, and that account is hosted under Namecheap. And every time I purchase a new domain, I just basically tell Namecheap to host my new domain without having to pay any additional cost. So for example, over here, if you guys look over here, I got solargreenday.com. I just purchased this domain a few minutes ago from Namecheap. And by the way, if you need a 93% discount on your next domain, the link's going to be in the description. Check it out. So basically, you go to your accounts here, and you go domain list, and I have several domains here. All I gotta do is just go to the new one that I have over here, hit manage. You're gonna come down here and you see where it says name servers. You just click where it says over here, it says Namecheap Basic DNS. You wanna click on that, you wanna move it down here. You see where it says Namecheap Web Hosting DNS, which means that new domain will be hosted under Namecheap without having to pay additional accounts. So basically what I'm trying to say over here, just to make it clear for those of you guys that are kind of new into doing this building website type of thing, all you have to do is just purchase one domain and have it hosted somewhere, and you can purchase additional domains and you don't have to pay any additional hosting service. You just have to tell your hosting service that you're going to be hosting the new domain with them, and that's what I'm doing over here. I'm telling Namecheap to host solargreenday.com with Namecheap. So you just click on that right here, and you hit the check mark over here. We'll give it a minute over here. It's just thinking. It's going to take a second over here, and it says DNS server updated. May take up to 48 hours to take effect. So it's real easy. Just give it a little bit of time, and it'll have the what do you call it? It'll have it updated so you can use the domain. I want to do something here real quick. Hang on, guys. I want to show you how you can have you see, like for example, if I go to this website right here, or it says google.com, you see how it's got that little lock over here, your SSL certificate. You don't have to pay for that either. That's also provided for you through Namecheap. If you already have an SSL certificate on your first page, or on your first what do you call it, on your hosted domain, then you can have a free SSL certificate on the rest of them also, which means you have the HTTPS instead of HTTP. When you have the S, that means it's secure website and it's locked. You have that lock over here. This way, in the event you sent your client to your website, you don't want it to come up and say unsecure website, because that would make people not want to trust you or do any business with you. So basically, with me purchasing a new domain over here, and I already have an HTTPS website hosted with Namecheap, they'll automatically add that to it, and I don't have to pay any additional money for SSL certificate. Give me 1 second, guys. I have to do this off of another screen here, but I'm still with you. Alright. Okay, so what we have to do over here is basically go back to your SSL certificate. I'm doing that off screen, but I'll show you guys here in a second. Alright, just give me 1 second here. I gotta go down to here. Dashboard, Ahrefs, WordPress, SSL certificate. Here you go, SSL Namecheap. Just give me 1 second. I'm just letting that load up. I'll be right with you guys. Just 1 second. Shouldn't take too long. I'm doing that off of my other monitor. I have several monitors here. Okay, letting that load up over here. So we got, let me see, we got Tree 1000 ppm, eMarket, ClickBee, Solar. I don't see the new one. I think I need to add, let me bring that over here so you guys can follow with me what I'm doing. Basically all I did is logged in into my cPanel, and it showed me all the installed SSL certificates. So I'm gonna have to kind of do this with you guys here. It's not showing the new domain that I got, which is the Solar domain. It should be over here somewhere. Maybe I need to go into into the cPanel. Okay, and I need to go under domains right here. Domains, add domains. That's probably what I need to do. Yeah, all I did, you go to your cPanel, and you would have to, have to go under add-on domains, and you come down here and you put in your new domain name, which is, let me make sure I get this spelling right because I don't want to put in the wrong one. Let's see if that would work. There you go. I want to verify that this is the right name, so bear with me guys just 1 second, okay? Shouldn't take too long here. I'm gonna stop this, come down here. I'm still working off on the side screen here, the guys, so just bear with me 1 second. I'll be right with you, okay? Promise. Okay, I'm just gonna log in into cPanel here, and I'm gonna go into excuse me, apologize. Come down here, right here, WordPress, cPanel. Is that where I need to go? Okay, go into cPanel. Oh, not cPanel. I need to go into my last. Give me 1 second here. I'm running a little late. I gotta go do something real quick here. We're gonna go there, bookmark. Sorry, I didn't expect this video to be that long. I thought it was gonna be in and out in a minute, but at least hopefully you guys, you'll get to see how it's done. It's not that difficult to do. What are we gonna do here? All websites. We're gonna go right here, and we're gonna log into cPanel again. Go in here. Sorry, I'm doing this off a screen because I didn't want to reveal my credentials and all that stuff. WordPress, all websites. Okay, okay. Come over here, all installations. Okay. I guess I need to go into my email. I just want to verify that the spelling of the domain is correct. I'm 100% sure it is, but I don't want to take any chances. So let me go in here. Solar Green Day. There it is. Fantastic. There it is. Solar Green Day. I'm going to copy that. Sorry about that, guys. I'm doing this off screen, but I'll be right with you. Okay. That's the video that I did a couple minutes ago about this scam your website. Solar Green Day. Here we go. I'm going to come back here. Copy this. Copy that. Come over here. And I'm going to paste it because I hate misspelling anything. So we're gonna, yeah. So we got basically, we went into Addon domains and we typed in the new, what do you call it? And the new domain, we're gonna add domain. Don't mess with any of the stuff here, leave that alone. So it's thinking over here, it's trying to add the domain, so just give it a second. It should show up here in a second. Oh, what do we got here? We got a problem. Domain solar.com already exists. Okay, never mind, go back. It's saying it's already there. What am I doing wrong here? Solar, I don't see it. Oh, there it is, there it is. Okay, manage redirection. If we come over here, we're gonna let that, okay, I have to go back again, I guess. I'm missing something here. I'm kind of doing this with you guys as I go. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure on what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of guessing. Give me a second here. Okay, so if we go to domains, which is right here, here's domains, and we're gonna go loading. We're gonna go solar right here. We're gonna go manage, and we're gonna go remove domain. No, we don't want to remove domain. We want to add the SSL certificate. So let's do this. Let me see here. WordPress SSL certificate. Come over here. Go there. You have to log into CPanel again. Go here. Go there. Okay. SSL. Okay. Let's see. Is it here now? TreeWorks 1000 free ppm electronic. I don't know why it's not showing up here. Search for installation. We have to search for it. We're gonna go Control V, and it's not there. Let's try to hit sync. See if that would work. It's trying to sync over here. Maybe that's a step that I need to do. Okay, is it there now? I still don't see it. Oh, that's where I need to be, right here. So we have to go search installed via Namecheap SSL. We need to do oh, there it is. It's active. Okay, and it's on. I guess we just have to give it a couple more minutes, see if it actually populates already. Solar. Let me go ahead and just paste it in. solargreenday.com. Okay, great. Now all we have to do is just go in and install the WordPress. So we're gonna go down here. I have to block all that stuff. Come down to WordPress. Click on this here, and then we need to select where we're gonna install it, which is tree, eMarket, click, ppm, self. We need to search my apps, manage plugins, overview. I know there's some stuff missing here. I have to actually search for it. Install now, and it's going to ask me where to install it to. I think that's what I need to do here. Install now. That's not working. Oh, there it is. It's working now. So we need to go down here and we need to select solar. Where's solar? There you go. Solar Green Day. And what else? I think that's what we're gonna do for now. You have to go in and change your password. Let me go ahead and do that off screen real quick. Okay, we're gonna call this Solar Green Day. Okay. And site description, we're going to call it Solar Renewable Energy. Solar Renewable Energy, that's good. Okay, we're going to come down here. I'm sorry guys, I have to do this off screen just because I don't want to reveal my credentials, because there's very important stuff in here. We're gonna go ahead and put that there. We're gonna change the admin to username admin. That's fine. Or should I just change it? No, admin for now. I can change it later. Admin, okay. What else? Password. We're gonna call that password. Okay, that's a password. Admin email is admin at, okay, that looks good. Everything looks good. Everything looks good. We're gonna hit install. And sorry guys, I have to do these steps off screen just because I don't want to go back and use the blur feature. But anyway, it's all installed. We're gonna go ahead and hit tweet that to celebrate our installation. And here's what we got. Okay, let me come back here. I have to save that because I have a little Word document that I save everything under, so I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. I'm running very, very late. I have to be somewhere right now. Come on. Okay, go over here. Come on. Okay, we're going to go down here. Okay, we're going to put that right here. Okay. And we got Alright, I think I'm done over here. And now if we visit our website, which is right here, HTTPS, you see how it's got the S over there for security. And there she goes, Solar Green Day. Boom, done. I hope this helped, guys. I know I've been all over the place, and I apologize for that. But anyway, if you're part of my channel, thank you so much for following me and supporting the channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you liked it. Dislike it if you disliked it. It doesn't matter. Just give me feedback. If you got any value out of this, share it. If you have any questions, leave it below. And don't forget to tick that bell icon, and I'm going to put a couple links in the description below for those of you guys that want to start an online business. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon, and I will see you on the inside. Thanks. Bye-bye.